Well, hello everyone, thank you all for watching this video. Today I'm going to make an e-lecture about the topic Cradle to Cradle. If you need more information about it, you can find it in the book Sustainable Business in chapter 11 by Nina and Blewett. Today I'm going to discuss the historical background of the topic, a current debate about Cradle to Cradle, a company example related to this, and my own opinion. Historical background, what is Cradle to Cradle, and what are the three key principles of Cradle to Cradle. Both can be found in chapter 11 of the book. So what is Cradle to Cradle? If you look at the definition, it's restoring continuous cycles of biological as well as technical nutrients with long-term positive effects on profitability, the environment, and human health. In other words, it's just a process that can be used eventually in each and every industry that assumes that industrial waste does not exist and is reused to its fullest. Then the three key principles of Cradle to Cradle that are that waste equals food, the use of current solar income, and celebrate diversity. The first one is about the fact that industrial waste within the Cradle to Cradle concept does not exist because all of it can be used and designed as nutrients for other stuff. Then the use of solar income is about Earth's continuous source of energy, the sun. The sun, if we look around us and we see more and more houses using solar panels. And then the last one is about celebrating diversity. Each and every one of us has developed a unique response to our environment, and C2C takes this diversity as an example for many models for human designs. Then I want to move on to the current debate, which is about the fact that more and more businesses are developing a circular economy, where a large contributor to this is the Ellen MacArthur Foundation. And then about the Netherlands is that the Netherlands are the current leader in Cradle to Cradle. If we look around us, more businesses are refocusing or redefining their growth strategy to have a positive effect on their environment, such as Philips in the Netherlands that are starting to see the economic and environmental potential by applying Cradle to Cradle to their manufacturing process. A large contributor to this is the Ellen MacArthur Foundation that is determined to accelerate the transition to circular income. And then about the Netherlands, half a year ago, an author of the book Cradle to Cradle, a leader on this topic, stated that the Netherlands are the current leader in the Cradle to Cradle, which brings me to my company example that is about the electricity industry within the Netherlands, where the Dutch government stated that dramatic changes have to be made because they want to exclude gas, so they want to exclude industrial waste gas in return for solar income, so for electricity. In 2050, 17.6 million people in the Netherlands, in 8 million households, will use 0% gas. And I want to move on to my own opinion. It's based on three things. The fact that it's necessary, it's hard to achieve, and it needs commitment. It's necessary because we all know about the fact that the earth is getting polluted because of all kinds of reasons. And but Cradle to Cradle is a thing to get it better again. In order to restore Earth's health, Cradle to Cradle needs to be a part of our daily lives. That's why it makes it hard to achieve, because whole industries need to be changed and people's ways of thinking has to be adjusted. And for that, we need to have some kind of commitment. Because why should people change their lives if it's, as far as they're concerned, okay? And why should companies change their way of doing business if they are making profit, taking care of their employees, and being profitable at the same time? Think about that. Then I want to discuss what we did. What is Cradle to Cradle? It's to restore and maintain nature's resources to have a positive effect on profitability, the world, and human health. What are the key principles? Waste equals food. the use of the sun and the celebrating diversity that can be used to design new products and services. What are the Netherlands doing? Distinguishing gas from its households and increasing awareness about Cradle to Cradle. And what should we do? Look at what you can do, what are you doing in your daily lives, help others, convince others to make it better. Thank you for listening.